Guys, and welcome to my YouTube video. This is part 2 of removing your old carpet. Now we have removed the carpet. As you can see, we have all the strips, the grippers that allow the carpet to stay on, but we also have all the staples, and that's what holds the padding down. So what we're doing today is we're removing all the grippers, and you have to go one at a time. So using this kind of tool is the only way. Slowly you can remove it, bring it up. Sometimes it breaks, sometimes you can have it all together, but that's okay. So it's only going to leave these little holes that you need to fill them in with some paste that I already bought. And now one at a time you have to remove these staples slowly but surely, without damaging the wood, and the pliers, bam, gone. So as you can see, there's a lot of them, but they come up pretty easily. So it's gonna leave just a few marks, these marks, but once you put that paste in, that wood filler that matches, we got one that's golden, and it looks pretty good. We've tried already on a couple, and it looks pretty good. So hopefully this helps you guys for your next project of removing your old carpet. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.